So I was asked to show the dimensions of the door extensions I made, but I will show you a diagram I kind of just drew up here at the end. But I did want to show you that how high you want it, how deep it goes. It doesn't. I mean, it can be adjusted because like this piece kind of goes down into here, and it's maybe an inch underneath the lip. I had to make a notch here because the fastener is right here, so this is actually, there's no material here, it's kind of goes down and then just follows that way. Back door, I think it's pretty well flush the whole way. I don't remember having to notch anything out. This is notched here and then goes down. I remember there was something under here though. I think there was something I had to make a notch for a fastener, like somewhere in here. But I'm not taking it apart to show you because I don't want to. I just don't feel like it. But anyways, this is not an exact science here. Just make it plenty long so it can be screwed in. Same thing with this. Just make it overlap enough so you can drive some screws in it. Let's see what I did on the end. I just glued a little cap in. Same thing with here. Obviously, I've been out playing.